Peter Andre was supported by kids Princess and Junior after wowing at Grease Press Night in London. The mysterious girl singer, 49, is currently playing Vince Fontaine in the West End production of the iconic show. 4. Peter Andre was seen leaving Greece at the Dominion Theatre with his kids Junior and PrincessCredit, splash. 4. Peter has been playing Vince Fontaine in the hit showCredit, splash. Peter was all smiles as he left the Dominion Theatre in central London with his eldest kids Junior, 16, and Princess, 13, by his side. The dad of 4 looked smart in a printed black and white shirt and skinny jeans. Princess looked cool in ripped jeans while 16-year-old Junior kept his look casual in a black tracksuit. A celeb star Peter made sure to make time for his fans as he posed for pictures and signed copies of their programs. Just earlier this week Peter was pictured spending time with his fans signing autographs after the show. He opted for casual attire as he traveled back to his home in Surrey. Peter rocked a grey V-neck jumper, black jeans and a light brown beanie. The production started earlier this month and will be running shows until October 2022. Peter is joined on stage by Dan Partridge and Olivia Moore, Jocasta Allgill, Eloise Davis, Lizzie Rose Kelly, Mary Moore, Paul French, Jake Reynolds, and Damon Gould. Speaking about his new role, Peter said, "I'm beyond excited to be making my West End debut playing Vince Fontaine in Greece at the beautiful Dominion Theatre. Grease is such an iconic musical and we can guarantee audiences will have the most wonderful evening listening to songs we all know and love." It comes after Peter spoke out yesterday in the wake of Rebecca Verdi's comments about his manhood being repeated. Rebecca opened up about the size of Pete's todger during an interview back in 2001. She labeled Pete the worst lover and called his penis a miniature chipolata. Peter wrote a now-deleted social media post to say his bit. He said, 15 years this has been going on, and I kept quiet and didn't say anything. I let everyone have their laugh and say what they wanted to say. Just think if I had said this about her anatomy and made up something unflattering, there would be outrage. The only one who sits there and takes hit after hit about it, is me. Think about how it would feel if it was the other way around. 4. Princess showed off her natural beauty with her long curly locks falling over her shoulders. Credit, splash. 4. The kids loved supporting their dad last night. Credit, splash.